Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this partition or in a simple way. Okay, we're using panel point edit to do it lah. Or you can use here system cabinet, then this one. Okay, just drag this panel part and this one. Drag this superboard out first. Okay. Then we change the size. So the size here we give it 3000. The size here we give it 3000. This one, the one 3000. This one we give it 2000 for the white. Okay, and this one the white I give it 3000. Later I rotate it, it will become the height. Okay, so select it, press X, you can rotate it. Okay, rotate it. Okay, I'll move it first. Z. Press Z, move it first, then I'll come to here, this angle, I'm gonna select it and press X to move it. Okay, move it. Okay, 90 degrees. Okay, select it. This one, make it 0. This one, make it 0 also. Make it 0 also. Okay, exit. Okay, so now we just cut off the this one called what? Cut off the pattern or the pattern. Let me see the picture first. Just now a picture I put back. This one the picture. Okay, just cut off the pattern. So just use B board selection. B board selection. Select the panel board selection. Okay, then right click. Come to panel point editing. Okay, so this will be the panel how we're gonna open the hole on it. Okay, then we just rotate only or rotate. You can see this one here, this one and this one are here. Okay, so we rotate this area. Okay, then we cut hole only. So we use drift hole, draw rectangle. You can draw the rectangle you want. So maybe this one. Draw roughly one, then I copy it, or you can use this one, array method. Okay, maybe this one here I draw one, then another one here I'm going to use another pattern, copy, put here also. Then here I draw another hole, another pattern, rectangle also, rectangle here. To a small rectangle here, roughly. Okay, copy one, put here. Okay, so this rectangle have a certain time frame, a certain scale. Okay, so I'm gonna move it a bit here. This one x axis. Okay, x axis here is 100. This one D5 500, y axis length to 400. Okay, just add here, add 50. They will move lah. This one I make a gap 50. Okay, then I array this one, right click, select this one, right click, array it. This button can help you. I put two quantity, horizontal horizontal is here. I put two quantity, three quantity, and each of them get 50. Apply. Then you can see here. Okay, so this one I move also because I want it 50, so I make it 950. Too much. Okay, 1000. 900. Okay. Sorry. This one should be 930. Okay. Roughly lah. Okay. Then after that you can continue make hole lah. Okay. Let's say a few movement later. Let's say a few moment later lah. Almost same. Okay. You just array lah, it will help you a lot. Array by using this button, array, guys. Okay, So you save first. After you complete the whole you want to create, okay, then return. So this one are very simple. You exit the board first. This one, the thickness is still very thin, so we just add the thickness only. 20, I make it maybe 100 or 100 enter. So you have the effect lah, but usually this one can put stuff is like 300 lah. Okay, can put plant or it's 300. Okay. Okay. So thanks for watching. Bye.